Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our week 4 topic is integers. In integers we have subtopic real number and rational numbers. In real number and rational number we learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of real number and rational numbers. For this we have some resources: New Syllabus Mathematics 7 edition D1 chapter number 2 exercise 2D, that is given on page number 52, educational video. And our methodology to describe this topic is audio aids, visual aids, examples, educational video and homework assignment. Learning objectives for this topic is student would be able to solve questions of addition and subtraction involving real and rational number by using rules of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Multiply real and rational numbers by using rules of multiplication. Divide real and rational numbers by using rules of multiplication. These all are our learning objectives. In a previous lesson we already learned about multiplication negative number by using rule of multiplication, divide negative number by using rule of multiplication, find how we find square root, cube root, and how we find square and cube of a number. We solve question of addition and subtraction by applying some rules of addition and multiplication. As we already learned about multiplication rule, for multiplication we have following steps. If two positive number multiply with each other, then we get in answer positive number. If two negative number multiply with each other, in answer we get positive number. If two number, one is positive and other one is negative, multiply with each other, in answer we get negative number. If a number is positive and the second number is negative, multiply with each other, we get negative number in our answer. These are multiplication rule that we already learned in a week 2 and week 3 lesson. For addition and subtraction of real and rational numbers, we have following steps. Example is given, that is minus 2 whole 3 by 4 plus bracket minus 5 by 6 minus bracket minus 2 by 3. First we solve bracket by using multiplication rule and convert mixed fraction into fraction. To convert mixed fraction into fraction, 4 multiply with 2, that is 8, then add 3. 8 plus 3 11, so we get minus 11 over 4 in the place of minus 2 whole 3 by 4. Then plus bracket minus 5 by 6, plus multiply minus, we get minus, so we write there minus 5 by 6. Then minus bracket minus 2 by 3, minus multiply minus, we get plus, so plus 2 by 3. Now to solve this equation, we first make denominator same. To make denominator same, we take LCM of 4, 6 and 3. LCM means the least common multiple. Least common multiple mean the number which come in these table, the minimum number which come in all these three table. The minimum number is 12, which come in all three tables. If 3 multiply with 4, we get 12. 4 multiply with 3, we get 12. 6 multiply by 2, we get 12. So the LCM of 4, 6 and 3 is 12. So to convert 4 into 12, we multiply with 3 with denominator and numerator. To convert 6 into 12, we multiply with 2 with denominator and numerator. To convert 3 into 12, we multiply with 4 with denominator and numerator. So 3 multiply with 11, we get minus 33 by 12, minus 10 by 12, plus 8 by 12. Now we apply addition and subtraction rule to solve this equation. Minus 33 and minus 10 both having same sign, so we add this term, and denominator is same. So minus 33 minus 10, we get minus 43 divided by 10 plus 8 by 2. Now we again apply addition and subtraction rule. If two terms having having opposite sign, so we subtract this term. Minus 43 plus 8, we get minus 35 by 12. This is your answer. If you want to convert this answer into mixed fraction, you can convert this answer into mixed fraction by divide this value. 12 multiplied by 2, 24. So 35 minus 24, we get 11. So minus 2 whole 11 by 12. That is your answer. Another example for multiplication of real and rational number, we have following step. 2 whole 2 by 3 multiply 9 by 4. First we convert this mixed fraction into fraction. How we convert this mixed fraction into fraction? 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 by 3 multiply 9 over 4. Second step is cancel terms which are divisible on same table. In how you cancel this term? You please check in a cross, two numbers are cancelled in the same table. In a fraction, two numbers are cancelled in a same table. For example, 8 over 3 not cancelled in the same table. 9 over 4 not cancelled in the same table. But 8 in a cross, 8 and 4 both are cancelled in the same table. That is 4. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. And similarly in a cross, 3 and 9 are divisible in the same table. That is 3. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So we get 2 multiplied by 3. How we get 2? Because 4 multiplied by 2, 8. And how we get 3? Because 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So 2 in the end, 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. That is your answer of equal number 2. Third question is division of real and rational numbers. First we convert mixed fraction into fraction and solve bracket by applying multiplication rule. First term with the positive sign, second term with the negative sign. So we know that plus multiply with minus, we get minus. So we write there minus in the first. Convert mixed fraction into fraction. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Divided by 4. Then divide. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Divided by 5. To convert division into multiplication, take reciprocal of the term. As we know that if we want to convert divide sign into multiplication sign, we take reciprocal of 14 over 5, and then when we write multiplication sign, then it will become 5 over 14. So we write there minus 21 over 4 multiply 5 over 14. Now 14 and 21 both are divisible on the same table. 7 multiplied by 2, 14, and 7 multiplied by 3, 21. So we write there minus 3 by 4 multiply 5 by 2. Now no one divisible by any table, any same table, so we multiply numerator terms, and then we get minus 15 over 8. That is your answer. If you want to convert this fraction into mixed fraction, you can convert this into mixed fraction. 8 multiplied by 1, 8. So 15 minus 8, 7 is remaining. So we write there minus 1 whole 7 over 8. That is your answer of example number. To solve example number 4, you apply simple rule of multiplication that you already learned in your previous classes. Assume that there is no point in any term. So in a simple 1356 multiplied 24. If 1356 multiplied 24, you get 32,544. Sorry. In a first value 13.56, you have a point after two value when you start counting from right to left. So in a first value you have point after two value. In a second value, that is 2.4, you have a point after one value when you start to count from right to left. So in a first value point after two value, in a second value point after one value. When we add 2 and 1, we get 3. So we write point after 3 value in the answer. You start to count from right to left in answer. From right to left we have first value is 4, second value is 4, third value is 5. So we write point after 5. So we get answer, that is 32.544. Example 5. For division of real and rational number, we have following step. 1.845 divided by 0.15. Divide mean You can also write this question in this way: 1.845 divided by 0.15. In a denominator value, you have a point after two value if you start to count from right to left. If we have a question of division and in a numerator point after two value, so we move point in a numerator value after two value from left to right. Listen it again. If we have a question 1.845 divided by 0.15, so we can write this question in a fraction way: 1.845 divide fraction 0.15. In a numerator a value we have 0.15. If we start to count from right to left, we have a point after two value. So if we have a point after two value in a numerator value, in a denominator value, so we move point of a numerator value from left to right after two value. We have a point in a numerator value 1.845, so we move point from left to right after two value. We get 184.5 divided by 15. Now you divide this term: 184.5 divided by 15. 15 multiplied by 115. 18 minus 15 we get 3. Next term is 4, so we write there 34. 15 multiplied by 230. 34 minus 30 we get 4. Then after 4 we have a point, so we write point in answer value, that is 12 point, then write 5. If we write 5 in a remaining value, that it becomes 45. Now 15 multiplied by 3, 45. Now 45 cancel 45, we get in our last 0, so 12.3 is your answer. I hope you understand all the concept that I describe in example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By using this concept, you are able to solve question of exercise 2D. Please solve these questions and best of luck for you. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.